So my name is Teacher Ivy and today is your speaking test. Okay, so can you tell me what is your name? Is my Okay, louder. Okay, now Mika, can you tell me how old are you? I'm 5. Okay, and Mika, can you tell me where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. And Mika, how are you today? Are you happy or sad? I'm happy. Okay, now Mika, I have here a picture. Can you tell me who is he? Daddy. How about who is she? Mommy. How about this one? Who is he? Brother. Sister. Okay, is this a boy or a girl? Boy. A girl or a boy? Girl. Girl, yes. Okay, how about this one? Is he a man or a woman? Man. Man. Okay, is she a man or woman? Woman. Okay. Now, Mika, that's it. Good job. Thank you and goodbye. Okay, goodbye.